Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are K. Hi everyone, it's Miss K here. Welcome to KDrawDraw. Today I'm going to draw Tweety Bird. It's a request from one of our subscribers. So here goes. We are going to start off with a circle. And I'm going to draw the cheeks. You can draw guidelines if you need them. Perhaps this is half of the head and the cheeks area is below the line. You can draw the cheek here like a opposite C, and then the other side of the cheek. So they look like brackets. I'm just going to extend this line over here for the neck area. So for the head, it's not exactly round. It's slightly bigger at the top part. So we are just going to adjust it. Can make a curve here. So you can always start with a basic shape and then you can adjust the shapes for the size of the character itself. And of course you can divide the shape, into your guidelines. It's for easier references. So I'm going to extend this all the way down to the neck area. I'm going to stop there. There's going to be a wing here. Tweety bird with wings. And the wing will start in the center here. To the right of this center guideline, it will curve out and touch this line. Maybe we can stop there. I will just extend it all the way here. You can always make a mark first where the line is supposed to end, then join them together. The other wing, we're going to do it slightly later. We're going to start off with the body first. So just a curve here. And another curve going outwards for the belly. And body. And draw the legs. Don't be in a rush when you're drawing. Try to have some patience, and I know sometimes it can get frustrating, but have some patience when you draw. See where the lines are and whether it's proportionate. And of course, for beginners, maybe you can start off with pencil first before you go on to more permanent mediums like markers or paint. Okay, and also try to draw lightly so that you can erase when you make slight mistakes. So we got one leg done. Draw this line first, curve line at the bottom. Make a mark where the line ends and then join them so that you have a more accurate view of where it's supposed to end up, so you don't overshot the line or make it look inaccurate. So the other leg. curve in. Oops. Okay, when you draw the other toe, it's supposed to join this way. So for curves like this, sometimes it may be difficult for you to achieve straight curves. You can always practice on another piece of paper before you start on your drawing. Practice on your curves. Just keep drawing curves over and over again, so you're able to have a sense of control when you finally draw half of the body out. Alright, the outline of the Tweety bird is done. The Tweety bird is facing downwards. You can make guidelines, perhaps something like this. So you know where the positions of the eyes and the mouth. One eye is here. You can also make guidelines from here, just a curved line. Tweety has oval shaped eyes, and the other eye would be around here, slightly bigger. The eyeballs, we have two curved lines, and for this part, just gonna add one here, another one here. The beak, I'm done with my pencil drawing. I have all these guidelines, probably can erase after I go over with my marker. Right, so I've outlined everything. Erase all these guidelines. Okay, so the colors I'll be using for today are light blue and dark blue. Let's use this color pencil for the eyes. And then we will use orange color for the leg. We are going to use yellow for the rest of the body. The beak can be orange as well. And the inside part of the mouth, we can use dark brown. There you have it, Tweety bird requested by one of our subscribers, Pyros. Thank you so much for requesting. Hope you like my drawing. Shall I sign my name? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.